Senseye is a software that makes it possible to activate and control a mobile device just by looking at it. So how many in here have to put in a passcode to unlock your phone? It's a hassle, right? That's why the other half of you doesn't even have a passcode on it. But imagine unlocking your phone just by looking at it. By combining existing means of control, the touch and tilt and key press, the Senseye software will make it easier, more natural, and more fun to use a mobile device. And this is why all the mobile manufacturers will want this technology. Think of touch. 5 years ago, nobody had touch control. But today, if you don't have touch, you're out. Today, voice control is making headlines with the new iPhone 4S. But the next big thing is going to be eye tracking. And this is what the mobile manufacturers believe. Now, let me show you our demo. I'm going to show you two common activities done on a mobile phone. Browsing. Notice how the screen automatically deactivates as soon as you look away from the screen and reactivates when you look back. Also, notice how it automatically scrolls as you read on the web page. And another way of using this is, of course, gaming. How about flying a spaceship using the eyes only? You can probably imagine all the other sorts of applications for this kind of technology. Please come see our live demo later today. We can show you more. Advertising is a huge potential market in mobile devices. But today, there's no way of measuring views. When we make our mobile analytics API available, this is going to revolutionize the mobile analytics market. Further, eye tracking on mobile devices will enable designers and developers to improve usability and increase the optimization of their apps. But let me introduce our founding team. We met 5 years ago when we started our PhDs at the IT University of Copenhagen. Javier is our engineer and PhD in low-cost eye tracking. He holds 1 patent in eye tracking. Martin is our specialist in gaze controlled interfaces, and he spent the recent years developing eye tracking software for Stanford and Duke University. Henrik, he's our PhD in gaze interaction, and he recently won an award from the Danish Ministry of Science. I'm a PhD fellow in human-computer interaction and usability, and together this team has more than 25 years of experience in eye tracking. Now Martin is going to introduce our technology.
Our eye tracking technology is based on 7 years of research. You can see the system working in real time here, and you can notice that it's tracking the eye and the center of the pupil very accurately. This is done through real-time computer vision algorithms. What we need to do this is a small camera and an infrared LED. Our focus from the beginning has been on low-cost eye tracking using standardized components. We've talked to manufacturers of mobile phones, and the estimated cost of these components in volume ranges from $2 to $5. Now, we're not saying that we're as accurate as other manufacturers. We're saying that we're accurate enough for interaction and analytics on mobile devices. So, during our research, we released the ITU Gaze Tracker at the CAI conference in Boston back in 2009. Since then, it's been downloaded over 20,000 times. It's been used and validated by researchers all over the world, and it has created a very strong and active online forum. All this knowledge we have gained during the years, we bring into Senseye. We have re-implemented our algorithms. They are now more robust, more accurate, performs better, and offers a greater degree of tolerance against head movements. We built our first proof of concept, which is this little dock that you can put your smartphone inside. And we have a little camera and an infrared LED. And we demonstrated this at 2 startup competitions last summer. The Startup Weekend in Copenhagen and the IBM Global Entrepreneurship Challenge. And we won awards in both. The enabling factor behind this, other than our software, is the dramatic increase in processing power of mobile devices. In just 4 years, the processing capabilities have improved tenfold. This makes it possible to run eye trackers in real time on mobile devices. Thanks.
And as everybody knows, this market has grown tremendously, even faster than the predictions. This week, Google announced that the number of mobile Android devices has doubled since May this year. That means that if only 1% of these devices in 2 years will have eye tracking, that's more than 8 million Senseye-enabled devices out there. So we're aiming for the high-end smartphone and tablet segment. We're going to license our software to the mobile manufacturers. We already had discussions with 3 of these. The first release is going to be 8 million devices. We're going to license our software at €0.50 a piece. Let me show you our progress so far. So as Martin told you, we showed our proof of concept at the Startup Weekend in Copenhagen here in June. And this created a lot of interest. This is why we got this special developer phone from Sony Ericsson. And we're now integrating our technology onto this. In 2013, the first Senseye-enabled phone is going to reach the market. However, we're not going to wait for the mobile manufacturers to integrate this. Next year, we are making eye tracking available for early adopters and developers for a consumer range price of $99. We made this small add-on that just fits into your mobile device, and then you can do eye tracking. This is going to create a developer pull for eye tracking on mobile devices. That means that when the first phone is going to reach the market in 2013, we already have a lot of cool apps out there. We're the Senseye team. We're looking for funding, and we're looking for partners to revolutionize the way you interact with your mobile device. Thank you very much.